In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the upload file size in Jotform to control the size of files respondents can submit. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to edit and click Edit Form to open the form builder. In the form builder, click Add Element on the left side. Find File, Upload and add it to your form. Click the File Upload field, then click the gear icon to open its properties. In the Properties window, go to the Options tab and scroll down to Limit File Size. Turn on the Limit File Size option. You can now enter the minimum and maximum file sizes you want to allow. These values are entered in kilobytes, so 1024 kilobytes equals 1 megabyte. Enter the file size limits that work for your form. Once you're finished, close the Properties window. Your changes will be applied automatically. That's how to adjust the upload file size in Jotform. Thanks for watching.